Today, I have prepared to present my digital content according to the prepared lesson plan. The target group is grade 9 students. The topic that I have selected is computer system and components. The learning outcomes are student able to identify and classify the input and output devices and analyze and describe each parts of computer components, and they able to explain the structure of computer system. And at finally, students can able to summarize and differentiate each parts of computer system. These are the lesson planning. Let me move to the digital content. The syllabus of course and objective of course. The aim of this section is to introduce and teach about computer components. Those are input device, output device, and storage device. You can got this point from the board that you are going to learn out through the upcoming lesson. This curriculum is based to identify each input and output device and differentiate each devices. The open-ended question I have posted to the forum, that is what is input device. Before we going to start the session, student have some ideas, so I'm raising question to them what is input device. They can answer this question via the menti.com. And the other question is they list out three input device and output device that they are using in the current scenario. Let me go to the learning objective. The learning objective one, student identify and classify the input and output device of a computer. Number two, number three, number four, number two, students can analyze and describe each part of computer components. Number three, students can explain the structure of a computer system. Number four, students able to summarize and differentiate each parts of computer system. Let me start the session. Now you can see the computer devices. Here, this is Mala. This is a human being. Mala has the body parts like heads, eyes, ears, legs. As well, like Mala's body parts and components, computer has different parts such as mouse, keyboard, monitor. So, there's a similarity between the human and computer system. Human system is a collection of the organs. As well, the computer is a collection of each devices that call input, output, and storage devices. Here, you can observe those devices in your environment. How do we call this device? This will call, or you are calling this device as a name, that is keyboard, and it is called by the name that is mouse, and you are using the joystick to play the games. Oh, then let me say why we use keyboard. Are you using keyboard? Then why we are using keyboard? Yes, you are inputting some text. Yes, you are right. Why you are using mouse? Yes, I'm clicking. I'm clicking some events. Some I use mouse to draw and paint. Yes, you are correct. You are using the mouse to click some icons to do the task. Now let we see the practical. Here the keyboard. When we are typing in the keyboard, we can see the monitor output because we are entering the Q W E R T Y. Then the display that's called monitor display those values. But we are input the values by the keyboard and getting the output via the monitor. These are the keys that I pressed Q W E R T V. But we are getting the output via the monitor panel. Then I'm going to drag the mouse. You can see I can move the mouse over to the icons along with the graphic user interface you are seeing under the monitor. Now I am using the joystick to assist my game. I'm playing game with the help of joystick. And we are using other things such as trackball, light pen. Those are also the input device. We are input some text, input some icons. We are input something to the system. That's called input device. Now we come to the output device. We can see all the TVs that's called crystal display, and now we are using the liquid crystal display, and those are the printers. They are the output device. We are getting the printout using some printing types. Inkjet printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer. We are using the paper and printout and getting the printout through the printout machine. And another device that's called speaker that is also coming under the output device because we are using speaker to getting the loud voice. We are listening the music to the via the speaker. Then we come to the main point. Normally, as a human has the brain power in his or her brain. Brain is a control unit. As well like the computer also has the control unit. That is called central processing unit because it is the controlling unit. It exhibits and transmits the functions to each component such as input and output device as well as human because brain transmits the signals to all parts of the organs, then the organs sense the transmission, and then after the organs functioning and continue to the movement. The another category is storage device. We are using something to store, and after few days we need to recall them and put it in the pen drive and play the video. This is called the storage device. We are using the pen drive as well as CDs, DVDs, VCDs because we are storing the captures, videos, images, and softwares, documents, any other formats we can store via the CDs, DVDs, and pen drives. Now you can see I am using the pen drive, put it in the USB port to play the music. So I'm using the pen drive. So after I'll move to you to the question round. This is a question regarding the previous lesson. The question is what is an algorithm? The answers are given. The second question is what are the algorithm constants? You can see the input, output, and the process. Why we need flowchart to develop the system? Why we are using this simple to represent? This is a true or false question. Are algorithms used in computers? Thank you.